Hi, welcome to another one of our YouTube videos, and on this rare occasion you might just hear one voice. Who knows how things will progress, but I've been using what I'm going to show you for numerous years, and somebody said to me, why don't you share that with people out there? It's a simple thing and it might be of use to somebody. So this is basically a 6-pint milk container. Doesn't matter where it's from, it's just got a handle like this, and this is what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to get a pair of scissors. I'm going to stab it there. I'm going to cut up. I'm going to cut behind the lid, go back down. Come to there, cut all the way around, and you see now what we've got. Shame off the lid because you can use that as well. But so that is a real cheap and simple for carrying your paintbrushes, your tools, whatever. Or what I do is if I'm going up a ladder, you can attach that with a bit of string or something, and I put my paint in there and I carry it around with me like that. It's just a real, it just saves carrying the pot around, especially if you're like, you can imagine, you know, you keep dipping down but you want something light to hold to do your coving, say. You don't want to keep dipping down, so
just get the brush on the side as well, can't you?
Yeah, and it works.
Yeah,
you can do that with it. Get that with it, dip it in. Works for wallpaper, paste, anything really. You can even have a couple of these and put it in to clean your brush at the end of the day. Squeeze it all out. This bit here, I've left the lid somewhere, but with the lid on, yeah, you can just rest your paintbrushes in. Works as well, that, so it's quite a good thing. Yeah. Anyway, it's environment friendly. It's cheap because it's you're going to throw it away, and it is. I've used them for years like this. It's really handy, and when you're finished with it, even to keep all your brushes in, and like I say, ceilings, on ladders, it's real easy, and it's quite stable, doesn't fall over. So simple idea for you. Hope that helps somebody if they're looking for something to carry some paint around in, or the tools. Just a little DIY tip. If you like what you've seen, why not help us along a bit and subscribe to our channel, please. Thank you.